I'd like to welcome you to the interactive case studies for Session 1, Management of Money and Our Relationship with God. The names that are used in these case studies have really been selected at random. However, the facts of each situation are quite common. And there's cases and situations that I've seen hundreds, in many cases thousands of times. So I believe that you will relate to some of the case studies in the various sessions. So here's the first one. This couple is called Franco and Maria. While attending university, Franco and Maria both accumulated a lot of debt, a significant portion relating to unnecessary expenditures. They thought this was no problem because most of their fellow students were doing the same. After university, Franco and Maria obtained full-time jobs, and since there were some great deals at the local dealership for new cars with 0% financing, they both acquired a new car. Shortly thereafter, they married and purchased a house. They had no savings, so they borrowed the down payment from their parents and assumed a large mortgage. And of course, with a new house, they needed some new furniture. After all, you can't put used furniture in a new house. And therefore, Franco and Maria took advantage of a retailer incentive with 0% down and no payments for 2 years. With significant debts, Franco and Maria were under tremendous financial pressure. They were living paycheck to paycheck and falling behind on several loan payments. Receiving threatening phone calls from creditors became commonplace in their home. Franco and Maria had many heated arguments over money-related problems. Notwithstanding the blessing of having 2 children, most of Franco and Maria's time and energy was focused on dealing with their financial problems, resulting in a deteriorating relationships between Franco and Maria, as well as Franco and Maria and their children. Although Franco and Maria both became Christians as teenagers, they have not grown spiritually over the last 12 years, and today they rarely have a quiet time with the Lord in prayer and reading His Word, and they have very limited involvement in ministry. So here's the first question. How would you describe Franco and Maria's attitude or mindset towards money and material things? Support your answer with a reference to Scripture. And again, just a bit of instruction. From time to time, I will stop the video. The video will actually end. And this will be your opportunity to reflect on the question, write down your answer, discuss it if you're in a group, or with your spouse if you're with your spouse, and then click on the next video to see the suggested solution. So again, here's the question. How would you describe Franco and Maria's attitude or mindset towards money and material things? Support your answer with a reference to Scripture.